Okay guys, welcome back. How are we? Apologise for the glare on the screen. Let me try and move a little bit. Can't really get away with it, but we're playing Mine today, Durack Tavern. So we need 6 of these for the Lightning Link bonus. The Dancing Man is wild. And 3 sticks of dynamite for 3 spins. There's our progressives. I think that grand may have just gone off because this is a lightning cash machine, not a lightning link. 2 more. Oh, close, close, close. Oh, horrible. Three more? No. Some big numbers there. Oh yes, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Two to go. Oh, one more. 5 grand would be beautiful. Oh, there's nothing there. It's still pretty good. Puts us back over 100. $62.50. Let's go to $3.75, eh? See if we can go a bit of back to back. Oh, come on, hit it now. Oh, look at those. Look at those numbers. Oh my goodness. Tell you, I've been having a lot of luck. 375 bets lately. Oh, again. They're $50 minis. This is huge. Oh. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Holy smokes. Oh, keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Hit it. Wow. Did we get the 100x? I think well and truly. Oh, maybe not well and truly. Yes, well and truly. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. $500 bonus. Oh my goodness. $3.75 bet, 5-cent denomination. Absolutely killing it at the moment. What are we at? 600. Alright, I'm going to give it one more 100. And then we'll go and play something else, I think. Run away from this machine with 400 profit. Oh, nearly again. It's gone very quiet now, eh? One more. Quite a few times we've had 2 sticks. Again. Is it going to hit? We've got about 8 spins left. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What's that? Yeah. All right. A few shovels. Not a lot there. Come on, re-trigger. $16. 2 more spins. Oh, last one. $22.50. Not going to complain about that after the link bonus we just had. $8.25. That could be all right. 36. 2 more. Three more. Back to 10 spins. Come on. Still teasing. We're just about done now. Two more spins, and then we're going to play something else. Alright, I'm going to cash out there and I'm going to put 100 in something else. Thanks for watching. That was fantastic. Once again, I apologise for the glare, but we've left Mine My Mine and we've come to Dragon Unleashed. If I stand up, hang on, let me stand up. We'll give this a quick go. Actually, I might just take my money out and go and play something else. But we need 3 of those for the free games. Or 6 of the numbers. Come on, respin. 6 numbers. Respin again. So we've got 1, 5 more. Respin again. Oh, come on. Be nice. Is there 2 numbers above them? Only 1. We need 1 more. Oh, no. Come on, 1 more. Oh, it keeps giving respins, but not giving me anything. It's a good size number. much is happening on this today. Not much at all. Two chests. Where's the third? Oh, look at that. 1,000. Oh, come on. 3 more. Oh, no. No good, no good. Oh, maybe this time. 3 more. 2 more spins. Alright guys, unfortunately we got busted on Dragon Unleashed. But thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that. Mine was fantastic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around. I'll see you again shortly with another one.